Have you ever wondered how plants turn sunlight into food? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that allows plants to convert sunlight into energy, fueling their growth and life. But how does this magical process happen? Let's break it down. Inside each leaf, there are tiny structures called chloroplasts. These are the powerhouses where photosynthesis takes place. Within the chloroplasts, there is a special pigment called chlorophyll. This green pigment captures sunlight and starts the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis requires three main ingredients: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. The sunlight provides the energy, while water and carbon dioxide are the raw materials. Once sunlight hits the chlorophyll, it triggers a series of chemical reactions. Water molecules are split into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen is released into the air. Yes, that's the oxygen we breathe. Meanwhile, the hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide to form glucose, a type of sugar that plants use for energy. Glucose is like a plant's food. It provides the energy for growth, repair, and reproduction. Some of this glucose is stored for later use, while the rest is used right away. This amazing process not only sustains plants, but also supports life on Earth. Without photosynthesis, there would be no oxygen for us to breathe and no food to eat. So the next time you see a plant, remember the incredible work it's doing, transforming sunlight into the very essence of life. If you enjoyed learning about photosynthesis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.